Rabbit have carrot. Rabbit want more carrot. Rabbit no want give to squirrel bank. Squirrel slow, take fee, nap during service. So rabbit try DeFi, decentralized finance. No middle squirrel, just internet robot. Rabbit deal direct with other. Rabbit, fast, open 24/7, global jungle. Rabbit put carrot in smart contract, robot box with rule. If rules say you get more carrot, robot follow. No mood swings, no banana bonus. Fair game, good side. Rabbit can earn interest, trade fast. Farm baby carrots, all without asking permission. Smart rabbit can make carrot empire. Bad side. Smart contract, maybe not so smart. Hacker raccoon can break in. No refund. No carrot, insurance. Also, some DeFi look like farm, but is actually whole. Also, price jump like frog. One day, rich rabbit. Next day, carrotless. DeFi is powerful. Freedom, but danger. Good for smart bunny, bad for sleepy bunny. Hop wisely, like or rabbit eats your account.